Welcome to TSS Associates Guide for the Bosch Generation 2 Mini Split. Today, we'll show you how to troubleshoot an E1 error code. Let's get started. For a wall-mounted IDU system that is 9K to 36K, a cassette IDU system that is 9K to 24K, and a ducted IDU system that is 9K to 24K, an E1 error code displays on the indoor unit and E2 error code displays on the outdoor unit when the indoor unit doesn't receive feedback from the outdoor unit during 110 seconds. This condition happens 4 times continuously. To start, power off the unit for 2 minutes. Turn it back on and check if the error is still displaying. If it is, measure voltage and see if it is moving alternately between -25 DC and 25 DC. Using your multimeter and leads, test the DC voltage between 2-port and 3-port of the outdoor unit. The red pin of multimeter connects with 2-port while the black pin is for 3-port. If it isn't within range, check the indoor wiring connection. If it's wired correctly, replace the main indoor PCB. If the voltage is moving between -25 volts DC and 25 volts DC, then check the outdoor wiring connection. Be sure that the indoor wiring for ports 1, 2, and 3 correspond with the same order of wiring for the outdoor unit in ports 1, 2, and 3. As you can see in the picture shown, ports 1, 2, and 3 are in the wiring order of red, white, and black for the outdoor unit, and so are the wires for the indoor unit. If the wiring is correct, look to see if the reactor is normal. If it isn't, then you will need to replace the reactor. If the reactor looks good, replace the outdoor main PCB. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this training video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Have a great day.